So what we've been doing over the last 100+ years is pumping a lot of oil and petroleum out of the ground, burning it and putting it up in the air. And just from a high-level standpoint, you can tell that that's not sustainable.
If you think of how fossil fuels are made, you're pulling it out of the ground, so all of your dead dinosaurs that are built up and smashed into the ground really densely, you're ripping that out of the ground, and then you're trying to split it into usable things. So when you get a barrel of oil, it's not only gasoline, it's not just jet fuel, it's not just diesel, there's the particulate matter that's coming along with it.
People have estimated there's maybe 4,000 chemicals in there. Some of those chemicals you do not want to put in the air, in the water that we need to live.
So there's a molecule that's inherent to those fuels that we think of as gasoline. There's a lot of other stuff with it because you pulled it out of the ground, but we are trying to match that molecule. So that's what the advanced fuels are doing. They're making the same molecule to fit in your engine so that you don't have to do anything differently on your engine, but we're building it up rather than trying to rip it apart. It is exactly the molecule we wanted to make. So that means it doesn't come with particulate matter, all the little pieces that get in your lungs. It doesn't come with sulfur oxides, which are very carcinogenic. It doesn't come with nitrogen oxides. It doesn't come with those things because we didn't put them in there.
It starts with Mother Nature. Today, we can grow things in a sustainable way, convert those into fuels, and we can keep doing that and not have a negative impact on the earth because Gevo is here.